We are selling our large P-shaped conservatory, which is in golden oak inside and out. It's approximately 5.5 metres in across the width of the house. The other dimensions you'll see in my advert or the description. This is just a video to give you a feel for what's included. As I say, it's a P-shaped. It just links our lounge through to our kitchen here. These French doors will also be an option for anyone buying the conservatory and can be offered separately, as they will be going, because we'll just have an open access when our extension has been built, which is what's replacing this conservatory. All the glass is in great condition, has a bicoloured polycarbonate roof, which is a dark bronze on the outside but white on the inside. Carpets been recently fitted and haven't really had any use, so those can go with the conservatory. We also had a custom built window seat into the P-shaped part of the conservatory, again all included in the transaction. I think my wife wants to retain the cushions, but the seats and the window seat can be included. As a separate consideration, we'd also look at selling these two Marks and Spencer's chairs and the footstool. We also have a wing chair which we may possibly consider selling, and we've got these really lovely leather chairs, a pair of, along with a footstool, which we purchased at quite significant expense from Laura Ashley. So again, if you're interested in this really great conservatory, it'd be offered at a fraction of what we paid for it, and all you'd have to do is have a builder just build a base for you, and then it's a day's work practically to fit this. So it's actually quite a straightforward thing to do, to save you a lot of money on buying a new one. So yes, if you're interested, it's located in Broadstone in Dorset. The postcode here is BH18 9WH.